Hello folks, today I'm going to be talking about the solution notes. So this video will be the notes in the example. The other video will be the practice problems. So if you want notes and examples, come here. If you want practice problems, go to the other video. Okay, so we're going to be talking about solutions. And a solution is just a mixture of two or more substances. So if I put sugar and water together, I've made a solution. If I put salt and water together, I've made a solution. Okay, anytime I mix two things, I'm making a solution. Now the solute is the stuff that you're dissolving. So this would be like the sugar, the salt, and the solvent is usually a liquid, and usually it'll be water. Okay, so the solute stuff that dissolves, solvent stuff that's doing the dissolving. So in this picture, you can look and you can decide what's the solute, what's the solvent, and if you can label them, you're good. Okay. We call a solution saturated when no more solid will dissolve. Okay, so if you're adding sugar to water and you're stirring and stirring and stirring, and it's still sitting at the bottom, that solution is saturated. So in this picture, you can see the white powder sitting at the bottom, so this solution is saturated. And when we talk about solutions, the thing we're most interested in is their concentration. So concentration is, if you think about Kool-Aid, how tasty it is. So if you have a low concentration of sugar, it won't be very tasty, it'll taste really watery. If you have a high concentration of sugar, it'll be really tasty, it'll taste really sweet. Okay, that's what we mean when we talk about concentration. When we measure concentration, we do it in something called molarity, and we abbreviate it with a capital M. Okay? So the formula for molarity, moles of solute, like the moles of the sugar, divided by the liters of the solution, or the volume of the solution. Okay? So it has to be moles, it has to be liters. Oftentimes, for example, when you use a graduated cylinder, okay, it measures in milliliters. Well, if you need to calculate molarity, you need to convert to liters. So this relationship will be very helpful. 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. So now I'm going to do some examples. You dissolve 0.5 moles of sugar in 1 liter of water. What is the molarity? So if you look up, okay, moles of solute, in this case sugar, divided by liters of solution. So 0.5 divided by 1.0 gives me 0.5, okay? And I would write that as MOL/L, moles over liters, or with just a capital M, okay? So there's two ways to write the units for that. Next question has a little trick. 0.1 moles of salt is dissolved in 500 milliliters of water. Did you catch the trick? Instead of liters, I gave you milliliters. Okay? So first you need to convert from milliliters to liters. And then you're ready to plug in. So this first step, okay, you'll have to do a lot, converting from milliliters to liters. Last question. 100 grams of salt is dissolved in 2.0 liters of water. Did you catch the trick? Instead of moles of solute, I gave you the grams. Okay? So you need to convert 100 grams of salt to moles of salt. So I show that here, and you'll get some answer. I'm not going to tell you what it is. You have to punch it in your calculator. And then you're ready to plug in and find the molarity. Okay? So the other video will go over the practice problems. Hopefully this was helpful.